Right. Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I got you some Wai Wai. Wai Wai brand, Oriental style instant noodles. Yeah. Okay. So, 350 milliliters of water. The noodle block. It's made in Thailand. There we go. 3 minutes. Alright, and we're rocking and rolling. Oh, I forgot. I was gonna scare you. One moment. How's that? Is that better? Alright. So yeah, I got this at a thrift store. It's actually made in Taiwan. But yeah. So how you doing? I'm pretty exhausted from all the events recently. But it's going. I guess there's I just found out from a buddy of mine named The Fat Hipster that there's a Christmas Bulldog spicy fried noodle or spicy noodle. And it's oh, hi Mimi. But it's a spicy fried noodle, and it's spaghetti with meat sauce. But I could order it on eBay, but it wouldn't be here before Christmas, so I figure if they want to send it to me, but companies get all squeamish about sending me meat products, except for a couple. So what do you think? Is it slightly menacing? I don't know, I think the stripes kind of get rid of the whole menacing attribute. But I want to be like a little bit scary. Send me $10 million in unmarked non-consecutive bills. I want $10 million in unmarked non-consecutive bills. Hey. Alright, so this stuff is done. So there's spicy and, yeah. Oh, I just realized to taste this, I'm gonna have to do something about my face. Yeah, this is from Thailand, and I know I've had this before, but it's been so long, it can be a new review. I want to say the last time I had this was like 10 years ago, maybe? I don't know. Maybe not 10, but it's sure been a while. This is a liquid sachet. Wet sachet, as I like to refer to it. I don't know. I think current events in the world have made me a little kooky today. Kooky, not crazy. Alright. see my face. Now you know my secret identity. Oh, jeez. Let's give this a try. I'm in the mood for Thai noodles by Wai Wai. Wai Wai, not. Yeah. Hey. Noodles. Interesting noodle broth. Interesting broth. I don't know. All right, back to that. Whoa. Okay. What are we gonna do here? Well, we got some tofu puff. There's some of that. Got some coriander. There's always that, you know. Whoa! You can't see me. You can't. Isn't that what they say? You can't see me, fool. You can't see me. You can't see me. Some spring onion, coriander, and tofu puff. Yeah. And we need some egg now, because it showed it on the package. And I just take that suggestion about the serving to heart. Oh yeah. Just come on, ladies and gentlemen, everybody, come on along with me and heed that serving suggestion. If it looks funny, try it anyways. You never know. It's just a suggestion, but give it a try. I suggest you do, or else. I'm wearing a crazy mask, yeah. It's not even cold in here. It's not even cold outside. It's the kind of time of year, but it's really not cold, I'm telling you what. Here's some sesame seeds. Doo, 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 doo. Yeah, I think we're ready. Let's get all up in there and let Rotato work its crazy magic. Whoa, we're getting a little close. It's a little too close. All right, ladies and germs, here you go. a bunch of noodles junk that I'm doing because I have fun doing it around lunchtime. Look at that egg though, wow. One of those things that people who smoked all their lives get. There's like, they've got the people that get the laryngectomy, and then they've got this little thing they put over there, and it has this robot voice, but I don't want the laryngectomy, I just want the robot voice thing. But they're really expensive because they're medical devices, you know? But if you or a loved one have or had one that you don't want anymore, I would love to do this show completely using those. So please, drop me a line. That's Hans at theramenraider.com. Hans at theramenraider.com. All right. Don't go change it. Keep it smooth. Rock and roll. Later. They're still looking at me. Well, watch out for the number 3 in the next 2 days. Remember, the year 2020 is the number 20 repeating twice. What does this mean for you? Plenty. Just don't keep writing 2019. I don't think you will this year. Cheers.